Welcome to Last Technologies, Learning as a Service, where learning meets opportunity. Today's topic is how to create a repository in Azure DevOps. So go to repositories. Under repositories, you'll have a drop down like this. You have an option to create new repository. What is the type of the repository? Since we have enabled TFVC, we will be able to see TFVC here, but currently we are creating a repository as Git. Repository name. Give the name of the repo and create. It's very simple. With GUI, you can create the repository. There is another way where you can import the repository using the URL, that is the GitHub URL. Just paste the URL, give the name of the repository and import. Now your repository is on the way to be created. So this is from the GitHub where our code is actually existing. We are giving the link of it. So it will be connected to the Azure DevOps and your repository is created. So currently we have created two repositories. One is repo 123 Azure Web Applications. These are the two ways that you can create the repositories. Thank you. For more content, please reach Last Technologies.